Hello everyone, Mike here. I'm going to be talking about one of my favorite online tools. It's called SEMrush. So here we are, I'm in the dashboard. Now this is the pro version, and as you can see, we have a lot going on here. And I feel like it's kind of a one-stop shop for kind of all your marketing needs. So if we click a little drop down, we can see the type of things we can check, right? Keyword research, it's a keyword tool. This is one of my favorite things right here, ad history. So you can look up a competitor's website and then put in their domain and then see what type of ads they're running, right? Now, the pro version is about $99 a month, which is a decent amount of money. But if you're hiring people to do this, that could potentially cost you a lot more. And then other companies pay thousands of dollars to get this information, right? To think of the copy they're going to use in their ads, and you could essentially spy on their ads, and then you can run ones. You can see which ones that appear to be successful, and you can run those as well. So we have here, we have on-page SEO checker, and then one of the main things is a site audit, and we got a PPC keyword tool. So I looked up a local air conditioning company. They rank pretty high and they have a decent website. So say I wanted to create my own air conditioner company and website, and these guys seem like they're doing a pretty good job. Right? They have a nice little website here. So I just wanted to do a check and see how I can imitate this essentially. So I just copy this URL, right? So let's just do a site audit of their website. And obviously you can do this on your own website, but I like to check competitors and see what they're doing right and see possibly where you can improve, because you want to look at your competition, especially if you're starting out. You want to look at the competition and see what they're doing and try to learn from them and do similar things, and then also be better essentially. So there's all these other things that it can do. Right now it's still doing the site audit. Can do this as well. There's a lot of information in here. That's why I do like it, because there's a lot you can do with it. It's doing that. Go into it now. It's got a health score. So 78%, not too bad. Say performance, and you can click all of these. It has warnings, errors. Let's go into the errors. So 24 internal links are broken. Now, if you were performing a site audit, say you were hired by this company, you could tell them, you could check all of these links, because you can check for competitors, obviously, but you can also, if you're trying to help them improve their website, you can tell them about these type of things too, right? And you got all this information in minutes. So there's a lot of green. There's a few errors, as you can see, right? But overall, it's not too bad. Decent website. And that's basically the site audit. So let's go into the checker. All right, here we go. So this kind of just checks, gives you experience. So this kind of just checks the page, gives you a little information about the main domain. So that's like the first page, the home page, right? So all right, so we still have, see that, and I'm gonna go to, it's gonna be here, ad history. All right, so we're gonna check some ads. Now you have to enter a keyword. So I put in HVAC. HVAC consulting. Let's go to that website, check it out. They came up. Pretty basic website, right? Now this one, looks like they've had a lot of ads. Homeadvisor, as you would imagine, pretty popular website. They've had a lot of ads. So let's go into Homeadvisor. Click and check out some information. So here's some of the keywords that they're paying for. So you could see cost. Now, you would assume that the ones they're paying the most for are the highest performing keywords. So those are the ones you'd have to pay more, but you don't want to pay for cheap keywords that aren't going to make you money. So you want to pay, so someone they're paying $228,000, and someone that's searching plumber, and look, we can see their ads here too. So this is, it's going to go, but yeah, it's going to just go to the web. Wasn't sure if it was going to open up. All right. So if we hover over, right, and we can see the ad. So you could essentially copy, if whether you're HVAC or you're a plumber or whatever business you're in, or trying to help, if you are an SEO specialist or a digital marketer, you can come in here and you can see the actual ad that they ran, and then the ones that they're paying the most for, the ones that get the most traffic. And you can it can give you ideas. It doesn't mean you copy it word for word, but it can give you ideas of what may be effective if you're doing an ad. So obviously, this is going to save you a lot of time and money. Now, Homeadvisor is a big website. It's a big website. That's why they're spending millions of dollars on ads. So that means they have a team of people. They pay a lot of money to come up with the copy on this ad, right? And if they're spending a lot of money on it, most likely it means that it's working, right? So you can find that out just by looking at their ad. You can see what they're doing, and you don't have to spend thousands of dollars on a team of people or millions of dollars on a team of people. You can see what the big websites are doing and then try to imitate that. So that's one of my favorite things, checking out competitors' ad history. We're going to go to organic research, organic keywords. So here's some of the organic keywords that they rank for. Their top pages, electricians. You can kind of see what type of industry basically they rank the highest for. Okay, let's go to traffic analytics. So you can get a lot of information on your own website and then also competitors' website to kind of learn more about them. So here's interesting. 84% use mobile. So if you're trying to make if you're trying to help Homeadvisor or make a site like Homeadvisor, you definitely want to optimize for mobile, because 84% are on their mobile phones. The countries, so the US and Canada ranks second, but vast majority is. So if you're running an ad campaign for Homeadvisor, you would want to focus on America, because it doesn't look like anywhere else is really using Homeadvisor. So some interesting stuff. You can go to top pages. Looks like, so I'm still in the pro version, so it looks like I got to upgrade for that one. Some other things here. Let's do keyword. Now this is a new tool. Check it out. A little overview. All right. So this is just kind of give you ideas and the volume that you may see. You can do exact match. What people are looking for. So if we click Advisor, interesting keywords here. Let's click this one. See what it says. All right. And this gives you a complete breakdown of that specific keyword. All right, so there's a quick overview. As you can see, there's a lot going on. There's a lot you can learn about a competitor. There's a lot you can learn to help improve a website. So this is a good tool. So I call it the one-stop shop for kind of everything marketing, SEO, and they keep improving. And like I said, I'm on the pro version. It's about $99 a month. You can get a 7-day free trial. I'll have a link for that below. So thanks for watching.